Hey, hey, hey. How's everybody doing? Yeah? You guys are beautiful. I love you guys. I'm so glad you're here. I'm freaking pumped. So I saw this, I don't remember who she was. I'm really bad about this and I'm sorry. But I saw this lady do this thing on the YouTubes and I'm going to do my own take on it. All you got to do is go out in the world and get some branches and a frame and maybe some spray paint or glitter spray. You know, I like that. Anyways, I think this is going to be a really fun project. So let's jump in. I am dying to get this thing done. So for this project, I think this is just going to be so simple and easy. But you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But anyways, you're just going to go outside, grab yourself a nice little branch. And what you want is the kind that has all these little pokies. You know what I mean? Because I have these fake flowers. I don't even know if this is going to be enough, but I saw somebody else do something similar to this, and I want to try my take on it. So you just take the little flowers off of the little stems, and then once we have them all off of here, we're going to put them on here. You know what I mean? So we're like making our own little flowery tree for springtime. So I think maybe we'll use just hot glue. I think that'll be good. So yeah, go find your stick, and then you probably already have some flowers in your craft box that you could use, but if not, just, you know, maybe head down to the Dollar Tree or the Walmart, whatever. So I'm just gonna pluck all these off, and then when I come back, we'll put these on the little branch with the glue, okay? Okay, so as you can see, I've got a bunch of the flowers ready to go. So I got the glue gun ready. So I think, now the only thing is this has already got like colored glue in there. I can't get it out, so, you know, we're just gonna see what happens. So I just put a little blob on there. And I'm trying to, oh, it did. It went right down onto the little stick, you know, because it's got a hole. So that's cool. Looks all right to me. So yeah, this is gonna be time consuming, a little tedious, but it also might be a little therapeutic. You know what I mean? Well, that one really does not want to go in there. Okay, so here, what if we do that? What if we put the flour on first and then give it, yeah, and then we give it a little dot to hold it in place. I like that. Okay guys, for your animal fact today, I want to tell you something about clownfish. All right, so when they are born, they're both male and female, okay? They call it sequential hermaphroditism, I think. So that just means that they have the ability to switch genders if they need to. So I don't really understand it completely, but from what I was reading, I guess if, you know, the dude and the lady are together and then the lady dies, then the dude will be like, all right, well, I guess I'm up. So he switches to a lady. And then, I mean, I don't know, does he like do the dishes and take care of the kids and like stereotypical female type stuff? I don't know. But I mean, fish don't really have dishes. What do they do? I don't know. Why do I think about this stuff? What is wrong with me? This one already has a big hole, so I'm just gonna find a little branch that has a wider branch. Put it on the wrong way. Huh. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, so this is it. I think it's done. And you know what? I really like it. I think it looks super cute. And it only took me like an hour. So, you know. Alright, I'm gonna go put it in a cute vase and I will show you guys how it looks. So thank you so much for coming to the show. I hope you guys had fun. And you know what? I hope you guys do this one and show me, because there's so many different variations that you could do. And you know, you could even spray paint the branch if you wanted to, or paint it, or you know, who knows? All right. Have fun out there, guys. Be safe.